Got a 2020 Ford F-250 Super Duty XLT. It's going to feature the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. You also got the Tremor off-road package as well. Got these nice gloss black wheels with 35-inch tires. Some side steps. It's going to be the Velocity blue exterior. Got some premium cloth bucket seats. Got an 8-inch touchscreen display, trailer brake controller, nice little carbon fiber interior accents. Got WeatherTech floor mats. Here's your rear bench seat. Also got the rear sliding window. This vehicle also is going to feature a Lear paint to match Velocity blue topper. Go ahead and open that up and let you guys check that out. Got a backup camera as well. Bed liner. Got rear park sense. Also got some rough country pod lights.